Hey
guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name's Arush.
My name's Wahad.
So let's start and open these really cool Quran watches by iToddle. Let's open Wahad's blue watch. Now let's take it out. As you can see, it's blue and it comes with its charger and like a little guide. Here you go. Now let's open my black one. Take it out. As you can see, it also comes with one of these guides and another charger. Now we're going to take it out of the packet. Wow, it's so cool, look. Now let's open Wahad. Take it out. And it's coming here. Wow, it's such a nice blue color. This watch is an Islamic Quran watch. It has lots of like du'as and things, and it has many features too. Let's turn them on. Now let me tell you about its awesome features. It is also fully updatable. It has a dual camera where you can do videos and photos. It has step counter. It has touchscreen, quizzes and games, 6 changeable backgrounds for your watch, photo and video albums, calculator, calendar, alarm clock, and a voice recorder, which is quite really cool. This watch is for kids and kids will really enjoy it. It tells you all about Islam. You can change its screensavers, turn it on, and you can choose these little buttons at the bottom, and you have loads of mosques. My favorite is probably this one. Here are its features. Turn it here. It has the games, camera, album, and the Quran. The video, a folder, recorder, a player, counter, calendar, torch, steps, settings, alarm, and a stopwatch.
The color is blue and it's just magnificent and it's really good.
Thank you so much for watching, and as I said, thank you so much to iToddle for sending us these really cool Quran watches. You can support our channel by liking and subscribing. Bye, have a good day.